yung thou shall not murder, kapatid, nag-uumpisa na pala ang murder sa puso. Sa puso. Murder started from the sin of anger, the sin of hatred. Bakit po sinisiyan? In the same way, ang sin of adultery begins in the heart with the sin of lust and impure thoughts. Pag sa isip mo pala, ganito nasa puso mo, ganitong impure, masyadong lustful, malamang babaksak po yan kung hindi po natin iingatan at kukontrolin, babaksak po yan sa adultery. Jesus said in the Sermon on the Mount, Matthew 5:27-28, have you heard that it was said, do not commit adultery? But I tell you that anyone who looks at a woman lustfully has committed adultery with her in his heart. Wala nang physical contact. Diba? Sa Old Testament, kailangan ng physical contact. Patayin, patay, tigok. Guilty ka. Ganon rin po sa adultery. Pag ikaw ay nakipag-physical contact sa hindi mo asawa, baksa ka sa kasalanan. Pero sa New Testament, wala nang physical contact. Puso na kagad sa isip. Guilty na agad tayo. Mari natin sabihin kanina, bago tayo dumating sa ganitong punto, ligtas ako dyan. Wala pa akong na-contact kahit I'm still a virgin. Okay, good. That's good, no? Pero sa puso mo, pambihira. Lahat, tinignan mo na. Lalo yung mga masal-masal sa LTR. Tama po, no? Matthew 15:9. Adulterer begins with lust and impure thoughts in our heart. For Jesus said, for out of the heart comes evil thought, murderer, adulterer, and sexual immorality. Sa puso po talaga nanggagaling, no? Now, if lust is prohibited by this commandment, guess what? Yung modesty, tingnan po natin yung modesty, no? Sabi ni Paul kay Timothy, I also want woman to dress modestly. Maayos, no? Maayos na pagsusuot. Ngayon, yung kabaliktaran ng hindi maayos na pagsusuot, no? Yung dress modesty. Tingnan po natin. Sabi diyan, yung katulad ng kasuotan, no? Clothing that reveal too much of the body in a way considered improper, indecent, or offensive to sexual propriety. Tama ba? Tama yung pronunciation.
Sexual propriety.
Tama ba? Kung ang clothing po daw natin ay ganito, tapos pupunta ka ng church, wow. Grabe, no?